Shifting focus to the other big story that we're tracking, and that has got to do with the farmers now finally deciding on their next course of action when it comes to whether they want to call off their strike or not, the protest rather that they've been holding for 15 months now. The Samyukt Kisan Morcha is going to be meeting shortly to discuss on the next course of action regarding the ongoing agitation. A final decision is going to be taken when it comes to the MSP strategy. Remember, farmers have now been asking for something more concrete from the government when it comes to minimum support price. Other demands will be taken up in the meeting that's going to start in just some time is what we are picking up. Representatives from all 42 farmer organizations will participate in the meeting. Farmers are resilient over their decision to not end the agitation till the time the laws are formally revoked in Parliament. A 9-member core committee had on Saturday demanded a guarantee law to be passed by the Centre for Ensuring MSP. They also have demanded to hold discussions over farmer deaths and the FIRs that have been lodged against them during the 15-month-long protest. Decision on the proposed daily tractor march to Parliament during the upcoming winter session is also going to be taken. Sources indicate that Cabinet is going to be giving a final nod to repeal the 3 farm laws on Wednesday.
मुकदमों का एक बड़ा इशू है रहेगा। जो किसान शहीद हो गए उनके परिवारों का मुआवजे की बात रहेगी। एमएसपी पे गारंटी कानून बने एक वो बड़ा इशू रहेगा। और बहुत से बिल ये लाना चाहते हैं, उन बिलों पर भी हम बात करना चाहेंगे।
जिस तरीके से पिछले काफी वक्त से लगातार इस आंदोलन को लेकर के आप सरकार के खिलाफ तमाम तरीके की पंचायत कर रहे थे और रैलियां कर रहे थे, क्या आप सरकार बैकफुट पर आई? अब इसके आगे भी इस आंदोलन को लेकर
सरकार जितनी माननेगी उतनी हम मान लेंगे। अब सरकार भाई आंख दिखाओगी तो भाई हम भी आंख दिखाओगे। अब सरकार आई है, एक बातचीत के मूड में सरकार है, वह ये तो बातचीत कर मामलों को निपटाते चलो।
लखनऊ की पंचायत के अंदर क्या कुछ मुद्दे रहने वाले?
अजय टैनी वाला एक बड़ा इशू वहाँ पर रहेगा और एमएसपी को पूरी जो पंचायत है वो समर्पित एमएसपी को है। एमएसपी अधिकार पंचायत के रूप में उसको मना रहे हैं।
So it does appear that the Lucknow Mahapanchayat is very much on, at least from what Rakesh Tikait had told India Today earlier. But he's also said that Ajay Teni's matter is going to be raised. Remember the horrific incident that saw the death of several farmers where a Thar car had ran over farmers when they were in fact taking out a protest in Lakhimpur Khedi. That is something that's going to come up in the Lucknow Mahapanchayat. But apart from that, will the Lucknow Mahapanchayat be held at all is a question that farmers would be able to answer after the meeting takes place today. That meeting is in Shingu and it involves 42 farmer unions who are going to be taking a final call on what the next course of action is going to be vis-a-vis calling off their protests and also presenting the other set of demands to the government, including having something concrete on minimum support price.